In the heart of a picturesque village surrounded by lush greenery and golden fields, a child named Maya entered the world with a spark that would ignite a path to greatness. Born into a family where the sun's rays were their only riches, Maya's destiny seemed intertwined with the dreams of a brighter future. Her parents, hardworking and resilient, cultivated a spirit of optimism in their daughter. From the beginning, Maya was told that she was destined for extraordinary things, that her journey would transcend the limitations of their humble abode. Encouraged by the whispers of ambition, Maya embraced each day with a determination that belied her tender age. Growing up, the village school became Maya's sanctuary. Despite the worn-out textbooks and the rustic charm of the classrooms, Maya approached education with an insatiable hunger for knowledge. Her nights were often spent by the dim glow of a flickering lamp, the pages of her books illuminated by a fervent desire for a different life. Financial constraints cast shadows over Maya's path, but her resolve remained unshaken. She transformed adversity into motivation, using every obstacle as a stepping stone toward her dreams. The challenges she faced only fueled her determination to prove that she was indeed born to succeed. One fateful day, a perceptive teacher named Mrs. Patel noticed Maya's exceptional abilities. Recognizing the potential that radiated from within her, Mrs. Patel became Maya's mentor. Guiding her through the nuances of academia and life, Mrs. Patel played a pivotal role in shaping Maya's character. Maya's brilliance not only flourished in the classroom but also in her kindness and empathy toward her peers. As Maya's story transcended the confines of the village, her academic prowess earned her a scholarship to a prestigious university. The transition from a rustic village to the bustling halls of academia was challenging, yet Maya's resilience proved unyielding. She became a symbol of inspiration not only for her village but for countless others who heard of her remarkable journey. Maya's success wasn't just a personal triumph, it became a narrative of hope for those who dared to dream beyond their circumstances. Her journey, marked by late-night study sessions, supportive mentors, and unwavering determination, resonated through the hills and fields. Maya never forgot her roots, attributing her success to the love and support of her family, the wisdom imparted by her mentors, and the invaluable lessons learned through every trial. In the end, Maya's story echoed as a testament to the belief that success isn't predefined by birth circumstances but is shaped by choices and resilience. She didn't just succeed, she became a beacon of hope, an example for generations to come. Maya's extraordinary journey proved that those who believe they are born to succeed can illuminate the darkest corners of adversity and turn dreams into reality. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it valuable. If you did, we'd love to have you as a part of our growing community. Don't miss out on future content, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of this channel. We appreciate you.